Welcome friends, this is Sapna Thakre. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important topic. It is a cell division. Let's see what is meant by cell. Cell is defined as basic structure and function unit of life. Life of all organisms start as a single cell. Another most important point here, zygote was the single cell resulted any formation enter organism, that is a growth and development in all organism depends on cell division. There are three important points how to define cell division. Parent cell to daughter cell, it is defined as a process in which one cell divides from two or more daughter cells. See, this is diagram of cell division. One cell divides from two cells and it divides four cells. The cell which dividing called parent cell and cell which are four daughter cells. Doubling time is defined as time taken by the cell to double its number is called as doubling time. Every time a new cell born, always generation which come. Generation time it's defined as time between two generation, it's called as generation time. Time between two successive generation, it is called as generation time. See this diagram. One cell divided into two cell divided into four cell. It is the first generation, second generation and third generation. Next one is cell cycle. These are four phases here. First one is G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and fourth one M phase. See, first one is cell cycle. It is defined as sequential event or changes taking place in the life of dividing cell. A cell will show certain changes, growth, development, maturity and all the changes what we'll see in life dividing cell called cell division. It is divided into two major parts. First one is interphase and second one is M phase. Interphase in 95% cell cycle and M phase have a 5% in cell cycle. See, first one is interphase. There have three phases. First one is G1 phase, S phase and three phase, G3 phase. Second one is M phase. M phase have four phases. It's called as PMAT. P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase and T for telophase. See, this one is cell cycle. There have four phases. First one is G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase and M phase. G1 phase, it is called as gap 1 phase. S phase, it is called as synthesis phase or DNA replication phase. G2 phase, it is called as gap 2 phases and M phase, it is actual division phase. See, let's see cell cycle. First one is G1 phase. G1 phase is a gap 1 growth phase or post mitotic phase. It is synthesis of protein, energy and all material required for DNA replication. See, S phase it is a synthetic phase. It is DNA replication takes place and number of DNA doubles, size of nucleus increase, number of chromosome remains same, synthesis of histone proteins. See, next one is G2 phase. G2 phase have a gap 2 phase. It is called as gap 2 phase, growth phase, pre-mitotic phase, synthesis of tubulin protein, synthesis of spindle protein and RNA, all cell organelles duplicates and centrosome divides to form centriole. Centriole present in only animal cell, not in plant cell. M phase have four phases. PMAT, P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. See, terminology. There are four terminology. First one is cytokinesis, karyokinesis, centriole, and chromosome. First one is cytokinesis. Cyto means cell and kinesis means division. It is called as division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis, karyo means nucleus, kinesis means division. It is called as division of nucleus. And centriole found in only in animal, not absent in plant cell. Chromosome. Chromosome, it is defined as a chromosome is a DNA molecule with part or all of the genetic material of an organism. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब